Ladies and gentlemen, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. As your safety is our utmost concern, the safety features of this aircraft may differ from other aircrafts. We ask your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask automatically drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with a headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is found under your seats. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist, push end to buckle, and pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the red tag at the lower end to inflate life vest. If the life vest fails to inflate, blow into the oral tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The light will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water, and here is a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, please keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Tampering the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention.
Should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on